Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Advanced Center X. I'm showing you today this gorgeous looking and sporty Volkswagen Transporter Commerce Pro here in 4Motion with midnight black paint. Make sure to check out the description below as it's packed full of factory fitted extras, with key equipment highlights including the stylish full LED headlights with LED signature daytime running lights, as well as around the side you have got these gorgeous Leighton alloy wheels in gloss black as part of the combi kit. In the rear there are also C-signature upgraded vertical full LED tail lights that stand out at night, and inside you have got seating for 3 in the back with this two-tone leather upholstery with individual armrests and even twin Isofix chat anchor points. In the front the story is no different, with also upgraded front leather seats with individual armrests as well as knee support and even full electric adjustment with electric lumbar support. The driver will certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which operates in the digital cockpit ahead, but the real treat here is this center touchscreen. Offers permanent climate control functions with heated seats, heated steering wheel and even a fully heated windscreen for the winter months. But there's also so much more on offer with the vehicle. These features will include selectable drive modes for year-round grip, as well as a full host of driver assistance functions that will scan the road ahead to protect you and your occupants at all times. For added connectivity, you also enjoy the benefit of both AppleCarPlay and AndroidAuto projection, with a helpful 360-degree camera offering area view visibility. Additionally, easy-to-use climate control is on offer with a wireless induction charger. This has been a presentation of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter Commerce Pro that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.